Big news from HubSpot. They've just acquired Geomapper and OrgChartHub, two amazing tools that are about to make the CRM even better. Let's dive into what that means. So what are Geomapper and OrgChartHub? These tools have been game changers for businesses using HubSpot. Geomapper helps you visualize customers and prospects on a map, so it's perfect for planning trips, running geo-marketing campaigns, or just knowing where your customers are. And OrgChartHub? Well, it's all about building and storing organizational charts directly in HubSpot. Think about visualizing decision makers, mapping out buying roles, and keeping everything in one place. Super useful, right? Now here's the exciting part. HubSpot officially announced the acquisition in June 2025. This move brings these tools directly into HubSpot's ecosystem, so it makes them even more accessible for users. It's a big win for anyone already using HubSpot. So why does this matter? Well, it's all about making life easier for businesses. With Geomapper and OrgChartHub now part of HubSpot, users can manage customer data, plan strategies, and visualize accounts, all without leaving the CRM. This acquisition is a big deal for HubSpot users, and it's just the beginning. As these tools get fully integrated, we expect to see even more ways to streamline your workflows and grow your business. If you're as excited about this as we are, make sure to subscribe for the latest HubSpot updates, tutorials, hacks, and so much more. Happy HubSpotting.